14th Annual Highspire Happenings Car Show. Part 2. Walk Around Video.
Honestly, if I can get any of them, I would get the big yellow.
Keep your eye out for the man in the gator. That's Joe at the wheel and Mark riding shotgun. They're selling the 50-50. One ticket, $1, 6 tickets, $5, 15 tickets, $10, 35 tickets for $20. In the green gator, show them your green cash.
Code it out. I mean, it worked. The one on the left wasn't working.
Code it out. Just driving around Harrisburg. Gas tank in. I pulled the gas tank up and it perforated where the straps held it up. And I was going to have it soldered and fixed and put it back in.
No, we gotta save our money. Now we gotta save our money.
There's a lot of cars here, too many to show the insides and the engine compartments. I'm just gonna walk around, show you what's here. So far, the highest number, you heard him announce it, 187 is one of the numbers.
Here with your name on it, courtesy of our very own Highspire. I know you got a song. I remember one time I thought they were just
I mean, the teachers in the classroom on one side,
It might be.
Here's your updated door prize. Another door prize. Looking for lucky number 13. Your placard, orange placard says 13. Bring that placard, come on up and see the lovely Carol Lee in the t-shirt stand.
Too many people stand in front of it. There's over 200 cars here. I heard them call out 210 as a door prize number, so we're over 200.
I know you had a good job.
If you don't. It's a $25 Runners gift card courtesy of the gosh darndest best HVAC in the land, Anderson Mechanical sponsors. This $25 Runners gift card number 49.
It's Corvette Row here. Two exceptions. A Jag and a Viper. I said I only got the vet out this year.
gonna need them. Yeah. Good thing you take a toolbox with you.
Yeah.
Last gift.
Yes.
Forward read, and you need something designed. See Dorothy, Tennessee.
I remember when this year.
Yeah. Yeah. Car show, the 12th annual car show, 224 now today, 235. Everybody, thank you on behalf of Highspire Happenings for making this one of the best car shows in the area.
I don't know if the microphone picked that up, but 235 cars showed up today.
Sorry everybody, I had a little bit of heat exhaustion. It's the best car show.
Little Nash Rambler was following me about 1/3 my size. The guy must have wanted to pass me out as he kept on tooting his horn.
182 won't be that much of a shipping difference other than cable. Oh, it's a cable? Probably. I'm just guessing. I don't know. Oh, the window.
To scorn. Beep, beep, beep. Come on with
That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next video.